Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some of my popular hairstyles that I do all the time, especially when I'm in a rush, or hairstyles I do because I'm always in a rush. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a two-day-old twist out. I didn't retwist that night. I just had it in a low ponytail and I wore a scarf over it, and I still have definition and whatever, so that's good for the first time ever. And my hair is still soft. So the first hairstyle that I'm going to be doing is a high puff. I'm going to be using headbands because usually when I'm in a rush I don't have time to tie down my edges, and I need at least a good 30 minutes to keep, or 30 minutes to an hour to tie down my edges for them to stay for the whole day. So because I don't usually have time for that when I'm rushing, I'm just going to use a headband so everything can look put together. So I have my string, so I'm just encouraging everything up in the direction that I want it to go. Jeez. So why you never walk behind me and go for the phone?
Hello?
And I'm going to be using
Dana. Who am I speaking with?
Y'all gonna come out? I'm going to be using olive oil for naturals buttercream styling smoothie, and it's very thick. It's a very thick product, so I know that it will moisturize my hair good enough. So I'm just going to take some and scrunch that in my hair so my hair can have some form of movement, so that when I'm brushing it I don't cause too much breakage, because my hair is usually dry when I'm doing this. And then I'm going to take some olive oil edge control, and I'm going to be using that for the perimeter of my hair. I usually use Eco Styler gel, but I don't have that with me right now, so I'm just going to make do with what I have. Then I'm going to get my string. And I'm going to get my afro pick and just pick up the root so that it look kind of decent. This is what my edges are looking like, and then it probably looks fine-ish now, and I could put more edge control on it, but probably as I step outside it could get fuzzy. So that's why I need to put on the headband. So I'm just going to put a little bit more of the edge control on my edges and toothbrush it down. I can't leave it like this because it's not going to stay like that for the whole day. So let me get my headband going on. Oh, am I going to get this over my ear? How cute is this? So yeah, this like just a quick hairstyle, and as I said, I don't have time to wait for my edges to be laid so that they can stay laid for the whole day. So I just wear a headband and your girl's good. On to hairstyle number 2, which I wear so much more than this puff. I pull the strings tighter across them at the front and pin it down, and then just get like a lot of hairpins and just pin down the hairs to form a bun. People, when I do my hair, so people always think I have enough hair. People always say to me, all of that up there side of your ear? I'm like, yes sir, yes ma'am. I just loosely pin the hairs all around to give the illusion that I have bra strap length hair, even though my hair is very short. So once again, my edges are looking like trash. So I'm going to put a little bit more edge control to control my edges. But it's only going to control it up until I get the headband on my head, not for the whole day.
again and put one thing. Yeah.
My edges still look good, and if you want to be extra with it, you can do all that fancy swoop and whatever, but me can't do that, so I just normally leave it like that for headband.
Alright,
so this is what the bun is looking like, and as you can see, my edges don't look bushy and fuzzy because I fixed that all with a headband, and this hairstyle literally took like what, 5 minutes. So I'll leave the name of where I got these headbands right here, and you guys can find her on Instagram, and I'll also leave her information in the description box, so you can go ahead and share some love and support. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.